Okay, ngayon naman po is fill in the line or fill in the blanks or fill in the gaps type of questions. So again, this is the title of the test and save and next. And let's go to the question. Meron na po tayong existing question dito set up and we're just going to modify it. So again, we're going to put our question here. Choose fill in the blanks. Everything here is your discretion na kung gagamitin nyo. And so part course randomized. This is the type of question. This is how we create a question. Basically, ginagamit po natin itong fill in the blank for identification. So, the blank is the brain of the computer or it is the brain of the computer. And then they're going to try to answer the question. So, to set up the answer, we need to type this dash in open and close curly braces para po magkaroon ng blank doon po sa student side pag sinasagutan na po nila. Otherwise, kung wala po yan, hindi po magkakaroon ng blank for the student to answer the question. Now, dito naman po sa correct answer, hindi ko lang po sure pa kung capitalized po ang ginamit natin. So, the student should input capitalized answer also. If not, magiging mali po or the answer will be not correct. I think. We'll see mamaya po later on kung tama po yung theory natin. Yan. Subukan po natin mag-input ng capital at small letter. So, yes. And after creating that, update the answer. Tingnan naman po natin sa student side kung ano magiging. Okay, here we are again. Nasa student side na po tayo at ito po yung itsura niya sa pagsasagot ko ng bata. So this is the part where the student will answer. Pag wala po yung dash kanina in closing curly braces, wala po yan blank na yan at hindi po ng bata or ng student. So let's try to input small letter answers first kung mag-e-error siya. Kung ang maging result nito is fail, ibig sabihin dapat i-capitalize ang answer since capitalize yung in-input natin correct answer doon sa test. All caps. All caps. See? Oh, it's still passed. Ibig sabihin, smart po yung ating test questionnaire as long as the answer is right. It doesn't matter kung tama or mali yung capitalization natin. That's great. So, yan po ang ating fill in the blanks. Thank you.